Hey everyone, welcome back. In this Excel tutorial, we are going to learn how to remove duplicates from the Excel sheet. So when you have Excel data, there is a possibility in the projects you will be having huge amount of data, and in the tables you will be having duplicate data as well. Now removing the duplicate data manually is very tedious work and it is error prone. So Excel has very good functionality to quickly remove duplicates from the sheet. So let's quickly understand and see the steps to remove duplicates from the table that you have, right? So say for example, this is one of the table for which I want to check whether there are duplicates in the table and then remove the duplicates. Okay, so I simply select any of the cell within the table, or I select the whole table, right? I can do that, or I just simply select, because this is the formatted table, I can select any of the cell and go to data here. Then you will see the option of the remove duplicates. So click on remove duplicates and you will see automatically the selection has been done for that particular whole table, right? And it has selected all the columns that are available there and detected that there are headers in my table as well. Okay, so now if I click OK, you will see the duplicates will be removed. Okay, now it is highly recommended that you do not work with the original set of data when you are working or trying to remove duplicates. Always create a copy of your data and then work on the copied data into a separate Excel sheet to, or make a copy or make a new sheet in the same Excel sheet and ensure that you have the original set of data intact somewhere. Okay, so let me click OK and I'll press Ctrl Z to Ctrl Z to undo the changes and then see the other way. Okay, so basically in the same option, let's see if, say for example, I just want to remove duplicates from one of the columns. So with the first approach, when we clicked on remove duplicates, it has selected all the columns. So it basically looks for the duplicates wherein all the column values should match, right? So those are the values that it ideally removes when we do a removal of the duplicate. Now say for example, if I want to remove the duplicates only from the segment column, so what I'll do is I'll uncheck all of these and then just select keep the column segment checked and click OK. But with this approach, you will see that 13 duplicate values were found and removed, but this is not correct, right? So it has removed all the values from the segment column. Okay, so what happened is that it didn't check any of the product date and country. It removed all of the values because it just checked the segment column and it found there were duplicate values and removed all of those. So to avoid this sort of issue, if you want to filter, remove duplicates only from one of the column, then ideally always copy the values in the column, okay, and paste it somewhere else and then remove duplicates from there. Okay, so say for example, now I want to remove duplicates from here, then I select that and click on remove duplicates, and now because there is only one column, it will only remove the duplicates from this column. So I select this my data has header because segment has the header, so it will deselect that and click OK, and now you will see that it has removed 13 duplicate values from that particular column. Okay, if you want to remove duplicates from the table, then make sure that you are selecting all the columns so that all the values or each row that is duplicate in that table gets removed. Okay, now this is the first way. Now the second way, let me change it. Okay, now the second way is basically if you are having Excel Professional or 365, I think it's in the latest version, you will get a function to remove the duplicates, right? So there is a new function, unique, that has been added. The name of the function is unique. So if, say for example, I want to get the unique values out of this table, okay, so simply I selected one of the cells and I'll start writing the function. So I'll say equal to, start typing in unique. Unique is there, right? So I'll select unique and then just hover over this table here in the left corner there until you see the little arrow. Start typing in unique again and hover over here and you will see this arrow. Select that and it will select that table, right? The whole table. All right, so first thing is that, or if say for example I want to select the whole table, I can manually select that as well, right? So I can select like this and it will automatically detect that this is like a table, and just that's pretty much it. So close the bracket, hit enter, and you will see, let me remove this column there, and you will see all the unique values are being, or unique rows are being populated here. Okay, now I can simply copy this header there. Okay, so this is basically the value that have been displayed, or the unique rows that are being displayed. Okay, now with this approach, with this particular unique function, what the advantage is that if I copy and paste or extend this particular table with other values which are duplicate, then automatically you will see that the values are being filtered out with this particular function, right? If I change something here, right, then you will see that the values, I have to include this value that I have added here into the table. So to include that into this table, you will see this icon here, right? So that basically ensures that this particular line here is part of that table as well, right? So I can keep extending that, and it will show me the rows that will be added as part of that table, right? So automatically you will see that if I add more rows there, it will automatically update the filter. So with this unique function, we are able to filter or remove the duplicates easily without doing things manually, right? So for example, there is another unique value here which trans 2. You will see that it has automatically being populated with this function, right? So these are the two ways, simple ways to basically remove duplicates from the Excel sheet. The first one is from the data tab, right? So from the data tab, remove duplicates. And the second one is with the unique function that will be available in the professional version or 365. You can check if you have this unique function available. That's good enough. You can go ahead and use it, right? So that's all for this tutorial on how to remove duplicates in Excel sheet. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.